Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll explore ElevenLabs' new conversational AI, a tool that lets you talk to an AI voice in real time, just like a human. I'll show you how to access it, how to create your own talking AI, and we'll do a live example conversation at the end. Let's get started. ElevenLabs is already known for its ultra-realistic text-to-speech voices. But now, with conversational AI, they've taken things to the next level. You can have a full back-and-forth conversation with an AI voice that listens, understands, and responds instantly. It feels natural, emotional, and surprisingly human. To access conversational AI, log in to your ElevenLabs account. On your dashboard, you'll see several options, like instant speech, audiobook, and ElevenLabs agents. Click on ElevenLabs agents. This is where you can create, customize, and chat with your AI agents. From here, you can design your AI's personality, select a voice, and start testing conversations right away. Now let's create our own AI. Click Create Agent, give it a name. I'll call mine Ava the Assistant. In the personality section, I'll describe her as a friendly and knowledgeable AI travel guide who speaks warmly and helps people plan their holidays. Then I'll pick a voice from ElevenLabs library. The best part is you can adjust tone, clarity, and style to make it sound exactly how you want. Now let's test it out. I'm going to ask Ava a few questions, and you'll hear how naturally she replies. Hey Ava, can you help me plan a trip to Goa?
Of course. Goa is a great choice. Would you prefer a relaxing beach vacation or something more adventurous?
I'm looking for beaches and local food recommendations.
Perfect. You should definitely visit Palolem Beach for peace and great sunsets. For food, try Martin's Corner. It's famous for Goan seafood curries.
Wow, that sounds amazing. Can you make me a 3-day itinerary?
Sure. Day 1, explore South Goa beaches. Day 2, Old Goa churches and Panjim Market. Day 3, water sports in Baga followed by sunset at Chapora Fort. Would you like me to include hotel options too?
And that's how you can use ElevenLabs conversational AI to create realistic, human-like talking agents. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tools, and drop your thoughts below. Would you try building your own AI assistant?